The wind was brutal, almost pushing the rider off balance. Without even needing to talk, the two cars slid into position side by side, blocking most of the gusts. Together they created a calm pocket in the chaos, giving the rider just enough cover to keep moving forward. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic moments like this. On a highway battered by crazy strong winds, cars and trucks teamed up without a second thought, lining up to block the gusts. Their wall of support gave the scooter riders just enough shelter to keep pushing forward, turning what could have been a dangerous ride into an unforgettable show of teamwork.